Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the FC Mobile 2024. No jailbreaker computer needed. So as you can see, I got a ton of money there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this onto your device. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super cool and it fully works. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so as you can see I have tons of money, so I'm going to show you how to get this mod of the FC Mobile 2024. So first things first, guys, we need to go to the Zoo Mods. This site has a ton of mods for apps and games, so let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and type in FC. As you can see, it says FC Mobile 2024, so just wait for this to download. If you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, it's pretty wild. As you can see, guys, if we go to the search bar and we type in FC Mobile, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this game whatsoever. So as you can see, it's super expensive, bro. Let me just try to type it in right here. So I'm just going to do it right here, as you can see. And here it is. And we go to the in-app purchases and look at that. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, go over to Zoo Mods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. And it fully works. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out. It's super insane. FC Mobile 2024. Fully working mod. So yeah, guys, it's pretty insane and it actually works. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out. This is super cool and it doesn't require a jailbreak or anything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. It's updated and everything like that. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out. Super cool. Fully working method, guys, to get rich. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe so more people can see it, and yeah, have fun. This is super cool, guys. They're fully updated and everything like that.